Hi, my name is Jessie Dixon, and my major is Society, Ethics, and Human Behavior. Um, what else am I supposed to talk about? Roles that I play are um, daughter, sister, employee. I work at Dick's Drive-Ins. And they're also, I guess, sometimes kind of teacher, um, and then like I help customers, like cook things. I'm a customer other places. I'm a roommate, a bicyclist. Um, I'm a woman or a girl, but also androgynous. Um, I'm a friend. I am a tenant in this apartment. Um, So those are some roles that I play. I'm interested in theater um, because I'm interested in the potential to use it in an educational setting. Maybe I want to be a teacher, and I think like the classroom is a really interesting space where people have to interact with each other, and they're I'm a student. That's a role, and and so then thinking about like how people interact with each other, not just in student teacher roles, but in a classroom setting where you have to work together to like create something to like build a sense of community and that creates knowledge together. um, I'm interested in that. I also am interested in uh, performance, I guess, of roles on like a day-to-day basis, like thinking, I think like how theater sort of accentuates what we already do in our lives, like helps us think about how we interact, how we act in life. And I did this um, like research project a couple quarters ago in a study of culture class, and I looked at it was like we were also looking at Japanese popular culture and American popular culture, and we had to do some kind of project learning about some aspect of Japanese popular culture, which was hard, not knowing anything about Japanese popular culture. But I looked at like this style of dress, this particular style of dress in like this particular neighborhood, like this like very popular neighborhood in Tokyo, and and just like these extravagant styles of dress, and so then um, thinking about dress, like how we dress, and also how we perform gender in that way, and so what are the different meanings that like how we dress and how we behave and how we interact, that like we're choosing these meanings, like we're choosing to act in a certain way to get certain things across, but a lot of times we just kind of take for granted that we do that, and so like looking at sort of like exaggerated examples of people dressing in sort of extraordinary ways, then kind of thinks, well, it got me thinking about just more everyday type dress, and how we perform different aspects of our identities. Yeah, and so that is another reason that I'm interested in theater. I'm also interested in improv, because life is, I mean, we have like scripts. I'm also interested in sociology, so the idea of like roles and scripts that we follow, that we learn culturally. Um, and we don't often think of like how we know how to interact in different situations because of just how we've learned to play certain roles and the scripts. But so interested in improv and spontaneity and authenticity, as like a way of trying to, uh, I don't know, get at something where you're where you're kind of aware of that you're performing, I guess. And so in that awareness, like realizing that you're always making choices, um, and and so then in being aware of the kinds of choices that you're making, like I feel like the more aware you are, then the more freedom you have to choose what it is that you're trying to get across, or to like change what you are getting across, and how you interact with people. And so then thinking about like spontaneity and collaboration, and trying to get at a sense of authenticity where what it is, like being aware that you're performing, and like and so then choosing, but being alive to the moment, in how you choose. I'm not sure if that's clear or not. I'm not sure if my volume even works on this computer thing. And this is the first. This is only the second video that I've made. I had to make a video for that culture class, and it was awful. So hopefully this is better. This is long now. I should end it. Okay. Bye. Wait, stop. There's the button.